Good morning, Nancy. It's 9:21, 9 a.m. and 21 minutes, Monday 9th, so December 9th. And this is lesson 7. We already did the first part. I just want to review the essential expressions. And here they are. Okay, just starting here. So we're just looking. Okay. So you don't want to be bothered by the salesperson. You're like, no, I'm just looking. Thank you. So, how can I help you? Hi, can I help you? Thanks. I'm just looking. We are just looking. Fine. Let me know if you need any help. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if you want to have more information about these items, or if you have any whatever. It's not just the only option. I will. Let me know if you need any help. I will. Okay. Let me, let you, let him, let her, let us, let them know. Tell me later. So, this expression is usually in two forms, imperative, future. Imperative is a command. It's a command. Please let me know. Future tense, I'll let you know later. Okay. Did she have a girl or a boy? I don't know. I'm going to call them right now. Please let me know as soon as you can. Okay, I'll call you right away. We could have said I'll call you as soon as I know. This homework is really hard. Let me know if you need any help. Do you want to go shopping? Do you want to go shopping tomorrow? I'm not sure yet. I'll let you know tonight. They need to know where the party is. I'll let them know. I need to know what time the movie starts. I'll let you know later. They want to know if they pass the test. The teacher will let them know. When is a party? I'll let you know. Can you come on Friday night? I'm not sure. I'll let you know. I'm sorry, I don't know when I can visit you. No problem. Just let me know when you have time. What do you think of? What is your opinion of? What do you think of classical music? I like it a lot, but I like rock music better. What do you think of this watch? It's nice, but it's too expensive. What do you think of American food? That's a difficult question. Your turn. What do you think of American food? I think it's not good. What do you think of English? Look, don't tell me it's hard, because Chinese is hard, okay? Or Russian, or even Hebrew. So there is always harder than that. What do you think of classical music? I like it a lot. What do you think of rock music? It depends. I don't like right now. I like from the 60s, or I like blues. I like from the 70s as well. After is just trash. How much are these jeans? Be careful, jeans are, it's like a pair of pants, so it's plural. How much is this shirt? How much money does it cost? So, how much are these if you're asking about a plural noun? How much is this if you're asking about a singular noun? Okay? Nouns that are always plural. Clothes, jeans, pants, shorts, pajamas, glasses, always plural. On the opposite, they are nouns, they're always singular. No matter how many we have, like for instance, sheep. One sheep, the animal. Two sheep, not sheeps. Okay. Excuse me, how much are these sunglasses? I'm not sure. I'll check. How much is this jacket? Let's see. It's $60 or $60. How much are they? How much is it? Use they and it after someone makes a statement about specific items. They and it are pronouns. These shoes are nice. How much are they? That's a nice watch. How much is it? Okay? So depending on how many you are talking about, just one item or several. So, on the left is a list of things in a department store. On the right, write question to ask to get the price. Use this or these. Things to buy. A table, earrings, boots, sweater. How much is it? The table. How much are they? How much are they? Are these? How much is it? Or how much is this? We could say these, this, they, or it. Okay? Well, a tiny bit more specific here. Complete these dialogues, use it or they. Wow, I love this ring. How much is it? Okay. Yeah, me too, I like this ring. How much is it? It's, I don't know, 20 bucks. Try something on is in the fitting room. So put on clothes or shoes to see if they fit, if they are the right size, and to see if they look nice. I really like this shirt. Why don't you try it on? Singular. I really like these jeans. Why don't you try them on? Plural. You can just use this or these when you and the person are talking to both, to each other, to see what you are talking about. So I'm going to repeat. You can just use this or these when you and the person you are talking to both see what you're talking about. Okay. Excuse me, where can I try this on? The fitting room is right over there. Excuse me, where can I try these on? These on. The fitting room is right over there. Okay. And we'll get back to that. Okay, we need to listen before going any further. So, I know that we still have this week and next week, and after you're gonna take a 2-week break. What I want to do, I would like you to do is to review the main expressions, of all the different chapters. It's not, ideally I would like to finish this book before you take a break. That way we have level 1, it's done, and you can just review the most essential exercise expressions. So when I see you again in January, we can we can review the most essentials. It's repetition. I know it's boring, but we have to go through that. We don't have any choice. Okay, so this is a short. Let me see if I can open also the transcript here. I had Gmail open, but I was using Safari to send different emails because things are changing. The schedule is changing this week and next week, and I have some people going on vacation. Others, they want to start taking classes, so I have to make sure I still have time for my family, and also I can still work because working is important. So it's gonna show up. If it's taking too long, let me just take a pause. I may pause the video, which I'm gonna do now, right now. So this is a transcript. You saw I paused the video, so now you can see I'm not wasting my time or your time as well looking for the video or the transcript. So I'm afraid of calling her. It's a friend who's very talkative, very good friend of yours, but it's sometimes hard to talk to some people because they talk too much. Okay. Crowded. Well, we're gonna start the period of the year when people like to buy a lot of stuff, and supermarkets, market stores will start being crowded. Okay, and people often they like to buy at the last minute. Okay, so we call them the last minute shoppers. We can add an S. Okay, and this is a traditional drink, Christmas drink, holiday drink. It's called an eggnog, and you can see what it is here. You can see what it is here. Cabbage Patch Kids. And it's like creamy with eggs and eggnog with some I think there is like cinnamon or something else, or nutmeg. There is something like that. And so the Chinese New Year, I was asking you if you guys have like a traditional drink, but you said well, there are several. Okay, but eggnog is really an American traditional Christmas drink. People drink that with alcohol or with no alcohol. The one you find at the store are disgusting, so it's better to make it yourself. So now the red Yeast rice, that's one of the drink you guys can drink. The stockings, those are the big socks you can put on the chimney, the fireplace. Reindeers, Santa Claus is stuck sometimes in the chimney. This is in France, in Alsace, and you see all the Christmas decorations. This is like a market. You have a, you have a decoration pretty much everywhere. It's a market in Manchester, in England. But in Europe, you have a lot of traditional Christmas markets where people buy food or decorations or, homemade stuff, local products. That's a large one, stuff for kids, it's fountain, where it is. Anyway, Christmas decorations. Some stuff here are not cheap, okay? So they tend to be a tiny bit more expensive, but it's homemade and it's also local. So the all clear, we did that, okay? We also talked about the best Korean barbecue. Well, Korean barbecue is very nice. Barbecue in America is part of the American foods. If you go to Texas, you find a lot of great barbecue. In the South, in general, they know how to make good barbecues. And, well, there are other specialties, apart from hamburgers and stuff like that. Many restaurants now, they make their own beers, so they craft their own beers. So they start being a tiny bit more natural with the products they use. Also, hamburgers, you can find many places where they make good bread, good meat, good everything. It's not crap like McDo. Oysters are part of the traditional stuff you can eat also for Christmas. Okay, and I see you actually today. I thought it was tomorrow. I made a mistake. I am completely disconnected. Anyway, so it doesn't look on good on me. It looks good on me, on you. This is when something is fitting well, okay? So I'll see you at 9 a.m. It's pretty early here, so don't worry. I'll send you this stuff right away. Take care.